To sign into Inca, open your web browser and type inca.health. Here is an example of a welcome email you may have been sent. Registration details can also be sent via fax or SMS. If you do not know your password, select Forgot Password. If you do not know any of your details, contact Precedence support on 1300 236 638. Upon first sign-in, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. You will then be directed to your preferences. Here you can change your preferred contact method. To display your patient records, click Patient. Your patient list can be sorted using a variety of filters including status. To open a patient record, click on the patient's name. Information in the patient's Inca record is extracted from the patient's GP clinical records. The Contact tab displays the patient's contact information, primary care provider and nurse. The Health Summary displays lifestyle risk factors and family history, current and past history, medications, adverse reactions and immunisations. The Measurement tab displays specific observations and pathology results extracted from the clinical software. Measurements can also be entered by the patient's care team or the patient. The Planning tab displays the patient's current care plan. The care plan includes goals and tasks. Each task is allocated to a provider. The GP indicates when a task was last completed and when a task is next due. Tasks in green have been assigned to you or someone from your organisation. To add an appointment in Inca, scroll to the task you want to add the appointment for. Click the next date and select Add Appointment. Select the date and time using the calendar and mark the progress to scheduled, attending or not attended. Type in any notes if required and select Record Appointment. If the GP has invited you to participate in a team care arrangement, you can agree to participate by clicking Agree. Once the GP has 2 or more agreements from the care plan, they can approve the team care arrangement. You will receive a notification via email or fax depending on your selected preferences. The Documents tab displays all documents created by Inca and any uploaded documents. All Inca documents are stored in PDF format. To view or download these documents, click View or Download. To enter feedback that can be viewed by the patient's care team as well as the patient, select the Progress Notes tab. To learn more about Inca, click on Help.